Moving on to another feature that we have. And if you've ever taken pictures of buildings, you've encountered this problem, you're going to get distortion. And the grid-like nature of this building, I think, really illustrates the problem. This is the Pompidou Center in Paris, and I want its horizontals and verticals to be straight. So I'll come to my transform options. Upright. Start with auto. If that doesn't work, try one of the others. In this case, I think auto is what we need. So when this feature came out, I thought, I wonder what this would do to the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I was lucky enough to go to Pisa a couple of years ago. And look, a centuries-old architectural problem solved with one click. There are times when you need to be a bit more aggressive with the upright correction, and you can use something called guided upright. So when you choose this, you get to put in up to 4 lines defining the horizontals and the verticals of the image. So there are 2 horizontals, and there's a vertical and another vertical, and that straightens everything out. Now, of course, you can't make an omelette without breaking the eggs or something like that. So I would need to then crop out this empty space that has now appeared.